So what are some of the biggest priorities for your company when it comes to patient solution offering?
Like I said, we have split our business two forms. We have a value portion of the business and the volume portion of the business. The value portion of the business is primarily centered around system integrators. Somebody who goes and provides solutions to the marketplace, to the customers and so on. The volume portion of the business is primarily focused on our desktops, notebooks, and thin clients, zero clients, and TFTs, where we have a different channel to address. And that's where we take the help of our distributors. We work with these channel community as the case may be, do partner programs for them, do customer events for them, and try and certify the salespeople of this channel who go and evangelize Fujitsu products in the marketplace.
And how do you look at the SMB and SEB segment in India? And what are your any specific offerings for them for that particular segment?
No, in terms of products, our products are all centric around SME and SMB only. If you look at it, it's purely a commercial kind of a product range that we are carrying. And one fundamental difference is that SME is a lot more stable. They can adapt technology very well. They will appreciate what value the technology brings to them, because today they are competing in the marketplace in a global space, that is most of the SMEs. So you have to be that competitive. So if I can help my customer's business to do better, we'll go ahead and do that.
What's your go-to-market strategy for them?
So we have primarily focused on SMB channel, who are customer-facing. Okay, we're looking at, like I said, doing training programs for the customers. We're looking at doing partner events so that we train these partner colleagues of ours who take the story to the customer.
And how do you ensure that channel is moving up the value chain when it comes to pushing your product in for SMB?
Absolutely very valid point. Like I said, we have a portfolio of products which ranges from an entry-level desktop to the world's largest storage. So the point is that the SME grows and Fujitsu is able to help the channel grow along with the customer, because we have a product range which is absolutely complete. You can talk about a thin client, you can talk about a TFT, desktop, server, workstation, storage. The entire portfolio is available. So two things that happen. As the SME grows, I'm able to grow his infrastructure, and the partner also is moving up the value chain because he is the one who's taking it forward there.
And are you planning any channel expansion?
So currently, like I said, the volume portion of the business, we are looking at enhancing the channel, and that's where we will take the help of our distributors to work very closely across all the metros, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, and look at how each of the segments requires people to go on address.
And how do you see the potential of Indian market, and what are the growth drivers?
This is our economy is very, very stable. Okay. There is it's sort of isolated. There will be a little bit of hiccups once in a while, but to my mind, from a Fujitsu standpoint, India, Russia and Middle East are key markets for growth, and that is why we are putting all the efforts and energy behind these three markets.
Okay, now it's my last question. With online marketing is gaining traction these days, so are you planning to tie up with any online shopping portal to promote your products?
Those things are under consideration, so we are working on that.
Thanks a lot. Congrats to you.